Samsung's new Galaxy Z Flip 7 is here, so it's time to look forward to the Galaxy Z Flip 8. It's never too early to speculate on what may be. After all, Samsung has likely already begun work on its next flip phone. So what can we expect from the Galaxy Z Flip 8, and what do we want to see? Let's take a look. We hope Samsung doesn't make any drastic changes, as the company has seemingly perfected the Galaxy Z Flip 7 design. Galaxy Z Flip 8 could retain the 6.9-inch primary folding display and external 4.1-inch panel. An improved hinge design has resulted in a minimal crease compared to previous generations. Samsung may introduce different colors with the Galaxy Z Flip 8. We expect Samsung may stick with Exynos for the Galaxy Z Flip 8. Samsung has reportedly been working on a 2nm Exynos 2600, feature at least 12 GB of RAM. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 received a battery increase from 4000 mAh to 4300 mAh, but it may also have the same battery. We also expect the same 25W wired charging speed. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 to have a 50MP primary sensor and 12MP ultrawide. As for pricing, there's no reason to believe Samsung will increase the price on the Galaxy Z Flip 8. We probably won't expect the Galaxy Z Flip 8 until next July, while previous summer Unpacked events took place in August. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.